According to the press release by the Office of the Director General of Police Meghalaya dated today, the 3rd of December, it read that on 2nd December 2020 around 7 p.m., reliable source information was received about movement of explosive from Sao Kilo area en route towards Kongong. Immediately on receiving of the information, an alert was sounded regarding the same and a Bolero vehicle of Assam registration was later intercepted at Kongong East Jaintia Hills on the Lad Rymbai outpost. On searching the vehicle, it was found to be loaded with 10 cartons filled with 250 kilograms of explosive, 2,000 gelatin sticks, 1,000 live detonators, and 8 rule of fuse. In this regard, 2 persons occupying the said vehicle were arrested, and on their lead, 4 more persons were arrested, which led to a concealed place at San Kilo on the Khliehriat police station, where the explosive was suspected to have been loaded in the Bolero vehicle. On search of the place, 51 cartons loaded with approximately 1,275 kilograms of explosive, 10,200 gelatin sticks, 5,000 detonators, and 8 rules of fuse were seized. Altogether, approximately 1,525 kilograms of explosive were seized in the said operation. In this connection, a criminal case has been registered under Explosive Act and other relevant sections of law, and investigation is on.